Hello students, today we will discuss ocean ecosystem which is a part of environmental studies. So let's start with ocean ecosystem. So what is an ocean? An ocean is a large area of water between continents. Oceans are very big and they join smaller seas together. ये तो समझ में आ रहा है. So it's a very vast area where water is there between different continents and it is very vast, very big, and they join smaller seas together. Now, ocean covers about 72% of our planet. So 72%, about 72% of the surface of Earth is covered with ocean. It covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface. There are 5 main oceans together, which are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So these are 5 oceans. Now, ocean ecosystem zones. The ocean ecosystem zone is divided into 3 zones or 3 parts, 3 regions. The ocean is divided up into 3 zones or layers based on how much sunlight they receive. तो समुद्र के कितने नीचे तक सनलाइट जा रहा है, कहाँ पर सनलाइट नहीं जा रहा है, उसी के बेसिस से हम लोग समुद्र को 3 रीजन या फिर 3 लेयर्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन is the top layer, which is called euphotic zone, which receives lots of sunlight. It starts at the ocean surface and goes down to about 200 meter on average. So समुद्र के सरफेस से नीचे तक अगर 200 मीटर तक हम लोग जाएंगे तो वहां तक सफिशिएंट सनलाइट जा सकता है, पेनिट्रेट कर सकती है. तो उस जोन को हम कहते हैं यूफोटिक जोन. सेकेंड जोन, the second layer between 200 meter to 1000 meter is the dysphotic zone, which receives some sunlight but not enough for plants to survive. वहाँ सनलाइट तो जा सकती है लेकिन उतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं कि जहाँ पर प्लांट्स या फिर जो पेड़ पौधे वो बच सकते हैं. और सबसे लास्ट वन, द थर्ड लेयर which is below 1000 meter is the aphotic zone, which gets no light at all. Not only is the aphotic zone completely dark, it is extremely cold and a few marine animals they can survive. So third layer जो होता है वो 1000 मीटर से नीचे होता है, वहाँ सनलाइट बिल्कुल नहीं जा सकती और वहाँ पूरे डार्क होते हैं, पूरा डार्क होता है, एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड भी होता है. You can see here the 3 regions. First region is euphotic zone, जो कि सरफेस ऑफ सी से शुरू होकर 200 मीटर तक जाता है और इसे सनलाइट जोन भी कहते हैं. और दूसरा जो सेकंड जोन है डिस्पोटिक जोन, which starts from 200 meter to 1000 meter, it is also called twilight zone. And the last one, the bottom portion, that is aphotic zone, which is above 1000 meter below the surface of Earth, it is also called midnight zone. So, ocean plant life. Marine plants live in the euphotic zone of the ocean because they need sunlight to create food through photosynthesis. जो यूफोटिक जोन में रहते हैं वहाँ ज़्यादातर माराइन प्लांट्स हमें देखने को मिल जाते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ सनलाइट सफिशिएंट होता है, फोटोसिंथेसिस के थ्रू वो सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. So you can see they have seaweeds and marine algae. These are all live in euphotic zones. So these plants which is there in euphotic zone include seaweeds, marine algae, and sea grasses. Mangrove trees, which live on muddy tropical shores, are also part of the ocean ecosystem. You can see here they are the mangrove trees. These plants absorb carbon dioxide and turn it into oxygen through photosynthesis. तो ये जो प्लांट्स होते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एटमॉस्फेयर से एब्जॉर्ब करके उसको ऑक्सीजन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस के थ्रू इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट. Phytoplankton is an important plant found in the ocean. You can see here this is phytoplankton. कभी कभार समुद्र हरा भी दिखने लगता है, ये phytoplankton की वजह से. So this is the food, this phytoplankton is the food for many ocean creatures from the largest whales to the smallest fish. There is so much phytoplankton in the ocean, it produces about half of the oxygen in the world. Ocean animals. The ocean contains a large variety of animal life including fish, dolphins, seals, walruses, whales, crustaceans, bacteria, sea anemones, and many others. Most marine animals live in the top two ocean zones where they have access to plants and other ocean animals to eat. The ocean is home to the largest animal species on the earth, that is the blue whale. The blue whale can grow to over 100 feet long. So this is the largest animal on the surface of earth or on the earth. The deep ocean does include life too, including some of the strangest animals on earth. One such creature is the anglerfish. It creates its own light on a tiny lure that it uses to attract other animals for its food. Food wave of ocean ecosystem. Level 1, photoautotrophs. The bottom level of the ocean's food chain is largely invisible. It is made up of billions of one-cell organisms called phytoplankton. So जो bottom level में autotrophs होते हैं वो one-celled organisms है, single cell होते हैं इनके अंदर, जिसको हम लोग phytoplankton कहते हैं. These tiny organisms take in the sun's energy and through photosynthesis turn nutrients and carbon dioxide into organic compounds. On the coast, seaweed and sea grasses do the same thing. जैसे कोस्ट में समुद्र के तट में जो सीवीड ग्रीन सी ग्रासेस होते हैं वो जो काम करते हैं मतलब फोटोसिंथेसिस करते हैं, उसी तरह जो टाइनी फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स है वो भी photosynthesis करते हैं and they turn nutrients and carbon dioxide into organic compounds. These are the main producers of the organic carbon that all ocean animals need to survive. They also produce more than half of the oxygen we breathe on Earth. Second level is herbivores. Herbivores, they depend upon plant for their survival. This level of marine food chain is made up of plant eaters or herbivores. Many are microscopic or so small that they are invisible to the human eye. These tiny creatures are known as zooplankton. So बहुत छोटे-छोटे creatures होते हैं जिसको हम zooplankton कहते हैं. They drift across the ocean surface, grazing on whatever they come across. There are also larger herbivores including surgeonfish, parrotfish, green turtles, and manatees. Together, herbivores eat up a huge amount of ocean plant life. However, many of them are eaten in turn. They become food for the carnivores or flesh-eating animals of the food chain's top two levels. Third level, it includes carnivores. Carnivores which depend on animals for their survival. The zooplankton of level 2 provides food for a large group of small carnivores such as sardines, herrings, and menhaden. These small carnivores are very successful hunters. However, they often fall prey to a small fact of ocean life: big fish eat smaller fish. सो ये जो छोटे छोटे कार्निवर्स होते हैं वो बहुत अच्छे हंटर्स होते हैं, शिकारी होते हैं, लेकिन उन वो भी शिकार बन जाते हैं जब बड़े मछली उनके सामने आ जाते हैं. लेवल 4, टॉप प्रेडेटर्स. Large predators sit at the top or apex of the marine food chain. They are a varied group. They include finned animals such as sharks, tuna, and dolphins. Feathered animals like pelicans and penguins, and ones with flippers like seals and walruses. These apex predators tend to be large, fast, and very good at catching prey. They also have longer lifespans. Usually, they reproduce slowly. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.